to move over here to Allied Machine and Engineering. And Jim, who you may have seen with me a year ago, went through this explanation and what they do, so we're going to do it again. But Jim, I want you to focus on something new, exciting, some technology we didn't talk about a year ago. Do you have some of that?
I've got it, Tony. Hey, first of all, I want to thank Methods for having us all here. This is an outstanding open house. They did a great job. Thank you, too. Well, what I want to talk about today is our gun manufacturing tools.
Yeah.
Gun manufacturing tools. A lot of people out there are manufacturing guns. It's a high rate of, it's a big business. People have said it's slowed down a little bit, but very little. It's still booming. So how do you manufacture these uppers and lower receivers faster than everybody else? Diamond tip tools on the aluminum. We have diamond. We own a solid carbide manufacturing company that we can build special tools for your Picatinny rails. Different tools like this that are made out of, when we're talking about speed, that's where you're going to gain cycle time on producing these high precision guns. Aerospace, we can go into guns, but aerospace uses a lot of diamond type tools. Well, now we have that capability. It wasn't here last year. We didn't have this at the show. We were just playing around with it. Now they're out there and it's a booming business. We're selling tons of the diamond tools. I think last year we might have not talked about this, but I'll talk about it again.
Just because it's beautiful, right?
This is a beautiful tool. It's a spade drill, but in the last year we introduced our TA Pro. What is a TA Pro?
What is a TA? Yes, you took the words right out of my mouth, Jim.
Well, the old spade drill that we used to have, that Allied made a living on, it was a drill. That's what it was for. How do you make that a precision, high-speed drill? So what we did now with our Pro, we opened up the flutes. So with a bigger flute, you can get more chips out. What did we do? Well, if we got more chips, how are we going to get them out? We put 4 gun relief holes, so we get more coolant to the point. Now we can run faster, we're getting chips out. So now what's the next step? Okay, the old spade drills, it was one flavor fit every material. Well, now we've got ISO tools. PM, this is the ISO geometries, steel, stainless steels, cast iron. So now we can go into a tool with a spade drill and we can run as fast as these high penetration drills and be very efficient, and it's less money. The high penetration drills, whether it's mine or the competition, normally they're 30% higher. Well, we're going to run fast speeds like they can do, but we're going to make it 30% cheaper. So what's that all mean? Productivity. Look us up. Go to Allied, www.alliedmachine.com. What you can do there is put in your zip code. It'll tell you who your field engineer is. Contact him. He can come in and test any of these tools, try them out, see what he can do. We're about saving the customer money. At that point, it's up to you. If you want to save money, look at Allied.
I like it. Are you guys starting to see a common theme here? We're starting to hear about flexibility, productivity, reliability. We're talking about, obviously, guns and a little bit of aerospace here as well. The coating that allows you to go faster. Ultimately, it's about making money. Now, my buddy, I have a couple of comments here, so I'm going to try and pull this up quickly, or maybe he can read them to me. Who knows what's going to happen, but I'm going to try and get to your comments, see how everything's going. I wonder if I can even, I can pull that up, I think. Or is this from the beginning? Oh, here we go. Hey, Paul Jones. Hey, big man, watching from here. Good to see you, Paul. Thanks for watching from the UK. And then my other buddy, Joe Reynolds. Love it as always, guys. And then John Starr. Appreciate you. You're welcome to walk by if you want to. John Starr saying, great to have Tony Gunn in the house for Machine Fest. It's obviously, for me, great to be here as well. Thank you for having me. And Blake, thank you for letting me know that was happening. Jim?
Tony, good to see you again.
Again, good to see you as well. Keep up the great work.
You too. Keep it up. This is what we're all about.